I am here to bring you the greatest mascara I have ever gotten my hands on. The greatest mascara. I'm not wearing it now. I'm just wearing one coat of like normal mascara, but I am about to put it on so that you guys can see. I have two mascaras that are both the fiber mascaras. One of them is high-end that you can only get from a dealer, or that sounds like it's something shady in a back alley. You know, the people, the independent sales people, they only sell this one. You can't just, I mean, I guess you could go on Amazon and get it or something like that. Although that is a little scary because I have heard that several brand name products, when they're sold on Amazon, you have to read in the description because a lot of people will say that they are like Chinese knockoffs and they're not the same. And I will say that I fell victim to that. I bought a couple of these off of Amazon, and when they came in, I could just tell that the fibers were not the same, and it scared me to death. And so only buy these Younique things from an actual representative. So just throwing that out there just because it's something that happened to me, and I think, you know, gosh, that could be really scary. What I'm going to show you is that yes, I love this mascara, this is great, but I think I found something better. And this may get me into trouble because I do know so many people that sell Younique 3D mascara, and I know that it is unlike anything else ever. I know there's lots of people that have tried to dupe it, tried to get in on the 3D mascara trend. This stuff has reigned supreme for probably 2 or 3 years now. It is the Moodstruck 3D fiber lashes. What I'm talking about is not Younique mascara. No. It is another brand new fiber lash mascara that it is better. You could say that it's a dupe. I think it's better. When is the dupe better? In this case, it's better. And then, ta-da! Okay, so if you've tried this before, if you're like my sister, I texted her and said, oh my gosh, the Physicians Formula, what is this one actually called? Extension Kit. The Physicians Formula Mascara Fiber Extension Kit, whatever you want to call this, is awesome. And she goes, oh, I've tried that before, it's not super great. Me too. Me too. The red one, I probably have that in my makeup stash. It's this red metallic, but the whole tube is red metallic. And I believe it has a matching, the larger tube is matching. So they're both red with like a silver lid. I've seen those at Target 1,000 times. Ulta has it. This one I ordered from Ulta's website under the brand new products, and so I thought, you know, we'll just try it, give it a test. This one is called Exaggerated Length, and on the side it says Instant Doll Lash Extension Kit. So when you say doll lash extension kit, those are like my buzzwords. The Physicians Formula, the doll extension one, was $14.99, right? Yes. $14.99 on Ulta's website. They do have the buy one get one half off. If you find that, get it, do it, buy 2, buy 5, whatever. No, 5 wouldn't work, 6. I do have a single coat of regular mascara on my lashes, and the only reason that I have done that, you do not do that, you don't have to do that. I just put that on so that I didn't look so super crazy in the video because I have blonde eyelashes and you cannot see them whatsoever. I have already curled my lashes and put this one coat on, so let's just jump right in and I'll show you how this works and what to do. What you're going to start out doing is just with like any normal mascara. It's definitely a goopier formula, and I think it's just so that it can hang on to the fiber lashes. So you just put your mascara on like normal, and I'm kind of wiggling it in there, and just the mascara by itself is really great. I mean, you can see, I think you can see that that is making a huge difference already. I mean, golly, right? Okay, so then while it's still wet, so I gotta hurry, is you get the little fiber jar, and you can see the little fuzzy fibers, and wiggle those on. Oh, yep, you're gonna get fallout. Wiggle it so that your hairs kind of go in between all the little fuzz and grab more of those fibers. So that not amazing? Who needs false lashes, right? Okay, so then you top that off, and I'm just talking like y'all know how to do this. You probably do. I'm sure you've tried the fiber lashes before, where you put one coat on, put the fibers, and then you seal it up with the top coat. So that's what we're doing now. Y'all. One coat. Okay, Christy, my sister, I told you this stuff is fantastic. Go get it. Go buy it. If I look up, that's gonna touch my eyebrows. Let me zoom in. Now I do have fibers on my face right here. I think they'll just, yeah. All right, so we're gonna try out and do the same thing with the Younique version on this side. Pretty goopy mascara as well. We're going to put that on. I mean, it's not sticking to my lashes very well. Hang on. There we go, sort of. It's not doing a whole lot on its own. I mean, this is not really called mascara, it's called transplanting gel. So maybe this is the magic stuff. Okay, so you have a longer applicator, same kind of deal. Put those on your sticky little lashes. Can y'all see? They're kind of sticking. And then we're gonna top it off with the transplanting gel. Okay. Same kind of deal, wiggle it so that it kind of goes in between your lashes. Oh, it's kind of making a mess right there. Yuckola. I look like I have some kind of creepy, crawly bug on the end of my lash. Get off there. It'll get it. No creepy, crawly bugs hanging on my lashes. That's never a good look. So I have a little bit of fibers on my face. I think more fell out on this eye than on the Younique eye. But I don't know if it's just me. Let me read the directions. That would always be handy. Okay, so this says, apply an even coat of transplanting gel to the lashes. Immediately apply the 3D fibers while it's still wet, and then seal the lashes. Okay, because I was thinking, well, maybe you're supposed to put mascara on first and then add these kind of as an oomph on top of that. But nope, this is going to actually function as your mascara. That to me left my lashes, I mean, they're kind of a little thin. Look at this eye with the Physicians Formula, and then look at this eye. I'm liking this one a lot more. Yes, I was hoping that this would be as good as the Younique. I never guessed that it would be better than the Younique one. But oh my gosh, y'all. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me make sure I'm giving this Younique a fair shake. Let me wiggle this better between my lashes. I mean, it's almost like this one that I have. Something's wrong with it. I mean, it is lengthening my lashes. It is making them longer, but it is not thickening them up. They are long, but they're not thick and luxurious like these are. Luxurious, did I just say that word? They're not thick and long like this side is. So, I don't think we have a dupe. I think we have a dunk. Well, what do you call that? I mean, if you start out trying to dupe something and you end up with a better product than the original, what is that called? What's a good word for that? Y'all let me know. Please never, ever, ever stop making this. This stuff is amazing. The red version of this is nowhere near this one. This is an amazing mascara, y'all. Let's just do another coat just for fun. It's got a really weird wand, you can't tell, but it has like a little, looks like a Darth Vader helmet here on the top. I think after a point, it's just gonna start looking like a caterpillar on my eye, and they're gonna start sticking together. So we're gonna see how many coats is too many coats. That mascara is just beautiful by itself before you even add these little fiber things. Okay, fiber things coming in, little tiny brush. It's like one of those slow little sly grins, just like, oh, I love it. I was wearing this a few days ago, testing it out, and I mentioned my mascara to this person that I was talking to, and she said, are those the Ardell lashes that you're wearing now? And I said, are those the magnetic ones? And I said, the ones that I have on? And she said, yeah. And I said, no, these are my lashes. And she was like, no, those are not your lashes. I said, yeah, these are mine. And I was wearing this Physicians Formula one. Let's do another coat of the Younique one. I want to say maybe it's dried out. I mean, because I've used this before and it's done better than this. I mean, not this. This is a brand new box. Okay, so here we go with the fibers. So I think it just has to have more than one coat. But it's kind of clumping together. I don't know that we need as many coats as I put on. Top it off to seal the little fibers in. See, and I've got the things that look like little bugs. No, bugs sound cute. These look like those mean, crazy bugs that end up eating the heads off of their mates. What are those called? A praying mantis. That's what they look like. Like I have praying mantises on the ends of my lashes there. So there we go. This eye is the Younique and this eye is the Physicians Formula. I do like the Younique with a second coat. I think it needed more coats. I think possibly you could get away with just one coat with the Physicians. It did amazing the first coat. This one had to have two to do better. I still think this one looks thicker. They're almost touching my eyebrows on that one. If I close my eyes, can y'all see anything different? I don't know where to look so that y'all can have something to compare to. Okay, I don't know. All I know is this mascara is amazing. This mascara is something you need to run out and buy. You are going to be in love with it. You're gonna think it's the best thing ever. If you think it's the best thing ever, let me know. And subscribe to my channel. That would be a really good way to let me know. Like this video. Tell your friends to run out and buy this mascara because it is amazing. And tell my sister that she needs to run out and buy it because it's so different than the red version that they have. Okay, and so that is it for today. Yeah. If you didn't subscribe to my channel already, after this video, when I'm bringing you a product that is this amazing, you should subscribe. You should subscribe because I have found the Holy Grail mascara of all times. Okay, y'all have a good one with your long, fluttery, feathery lashes. All right, bye guys.